Welcome to Istanbul's Sultanahmet, where history comes alive, inviting you on an unforgettable journey. This historic heart of Istanbul has witnessed Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires, all leaving their indelible mark. In just a single square mile, you can traverse 1,700 years of layered history, experiencing three magnificent empires. Before we dive into the landmarks, let's cover some essential quick facts for your visit. Sultanahmet is on the European side of Istanbul. The best time to visit for mild weather is spring or fall. You'll need a full day, approximately 4 to 6 hours, to fully immerse yourself in this historic district. Getting there is easy. Simply take tram T1 directly to the Sultanahmet stop, placing you right at the heart of the action. Our first stop is the magnificent Hagia Sophia, the crown jewel of Byzantium, a testament to human ingenuity. Built between 532 and 537 AD under Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, it was once the world's largest cathedral. Today, it serves as an active mosque, offering free entrance to all visitors, a symbol of its enduring legacy. Among its must-see features is the colossal 31-meter dome, an engineering marvel of its time. You'll also be captivated by the golden Byzantine mosaics and the majestic marble pillars, sourced from ancient temples. Hagia Sophia is open daily from 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Arrive early to avoid crowds. Modest clothing is required, with knees and shoulders covered, and women should bring a headscarf. Next, we move to the breathtaking Blue Mosque, a true wonder adorned with 20,000 tiles. Built between 1609 and 1617 for Sultanahmet I, this active mosque dazzles with over 20,000 handmade Iznik tiles. Its 6 slender minarets, an unusual number, now stand as a distinctive feature. Step inside to experience how natural light filters through 260 stained glass windows, creating an ethereal glow. The vast prayer hall accommodates 10,000 worshippers beneath intricate floral arabesques, a truly awe-inspiring sight. Entry to the Blue Mosque is free, but it closes during the 5 daily prayer times, totaling about 90 minutes. It's always a good idea to check the prayer schedules before your visit to ensure you can enter. To cap off your unforgettable day, we recommend a perfect photo moment between these two iconic structures. Stand in the plaza between Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque at sunset, as the golden light illuminates both monuments. With the call to prayer echoing, it creates an unforgettable Istanbul experience that will stay with you. We hope this guide inspires your journey through Istanbul's Sultanahmet, where every corner tells a story.